Hey guys! Welcome back to the Unboxing Tito. I have here two phones na in-unbox ko recently dito sa channel. Si Realme V15 and si Redmi Note 90. Both phones have the same chipset, which is the Dimensity 800U, na mid-range chip ni MediaTek, which is capable of dual 5G connectivity. In this video, we will try 6 games to see which phone is better when it comes to gaming. Welcome to the Realme V15 versus the Redmi Note 90 gaming test. My channel provides unboxing and reviews of all the hottest phones available today. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out each time mag-upload ako ng bagong video. So after all that, let's proceed with the gaming test. Bago tayo magsimula, ipakita ko lang sa inyo na both phones are at 100%. And since hindi possible in some games na laruin ko sila ng sabay, I'll use one phone at a time habang naka-standby mode naman yung isa. Our first game is an FPS or first-person shooter game, Call of Duty Mobile. Okay, let's start. Unahin natin sa Realme V15. Yung CPU temperature is at 33.3 and yung battery temperature is at 31 degrees. So, eto yung mga graphic settings na gagamitin natin. Yung graphic quality is set at medium and yung frame rate is set at high. And naka-on din yung depth of field and real-time shadows.
Sentry gun ready for deployment. Enemy contact. Tango down. Sentry gun deployed. Enemy down.
Okay, after playing 3 games sa Call of Duty Mobile, let us check yung temperature. Yung CPU temperature is at 45.9 and yung battery temperature is at 37 degrees. And now, si Redmi Note 90 naman yung itry natin. Yung CPU temperature is at 37.9 and yung battery temperature is at 30 degrees. Here are our graphic settings. Yung graphic quality is set at medium and naka-high naman yung frame rate. Naka-on din yung depth of field and real-time shadows.
Hunter-killer drone deployed. Taking the lead. Cover me! Awaiting orders. Sentry gun ready for deployment. Friendly sentry gun deployed. Friendly predator. Hunter-killer drone on standby. Hunter-killer drone deployed. Enemy down!
Okay, after 3 games, let us check yung temperature. Yung CPU temperature is at 61 degrees and yung battery temperature is at 35.9. Kung nabitin kayo sa barilan, isunod natin si PUBG Mobile with our Realme V15. Before yung start ng game, yung CPU temperature is at 34.1 and yung battery temperature 31 degrees. Ito yung mga graphic settings for PUBG Mobile. For the graphics, naka-HD tayo and nakaset naman yung frame rate sa high. After playing a classic game sa PUBG Mobile, let us check our temperature. CPU temperature is at 46.9 and yung battery temperature 38 degrees. Okay, let's do PUBG Mobile with the Redmi Note 90. Before yung start ng game, yung CPU temperature is at 38.8 and yung battery is 29.2. For our Redmi Note 90, eto naman yung graphics setting. Yung graphics is set at HD and naka-high naman yung frame rate. Let's check yung temperature niya. CPU temperature 63.4 and yung battery 37.8. Okay, after na matinding bakbakan, let's do something more dynamic and fast-paced. Let's play Asphalt 9. Before we start, let's do a quick temp check sa Realme B50 natin. For our CPU temperature, 33.5 and yung battery, 31 degrees. For this game with our Realme B15, eto yung mga settings na gagamitin natin. For the visual quality, we are set at high quality which is the max settings possible. Okay, after playing 3 games, eto yung temperature natin. CPU temperature 41.5 degrees and yung battery temperature 38 degrees. Now let's see kung paano i-handle ni Redmi Note 90 si Asphalt 9. So before we start, yung CPU temperature is at 39.6 and yung battery 30 degrees. For our Redmi Note 90, eto naman yung graphic settings natin. Yung visual quality is also set at high quality. After 3 races sa Asphalt 9, yung CPU temperature is at 45.8 and yung battery 36.5. Next game is one of the hottest games today, League of Legends Wild Rift, and itry natin yan with the Realme B15. Our Realme B15 has a CPU temperature of 35.7 degrees and yung battery 33 degrees. Ito yung mga settings na gagamitin natin. For the graphics quality, we are set at ultra high definition. Nakaset din tayo at high for shadow quality, model quality, texture quality, effects quality, and resolution. Also, naka-on din yung 60 FPS, post-processing, interface animations, floating text, and character inking. After playing 2 games, let us check yung temperature. Yung CPU temperature is at 46.3 and yung battery 39 degrees. Next up, let's play Wild Rift with our Redmi Note 90. Ito naman yung graphic settings natin with our Redmi Note 90. Once again, yung graphics quality is set at ultra high definition and naka-high naman yung shadow quality, model quality, texture quality, effects quality, and resolution. Naka-on din yung 60 FPS, post-processing, interface animations, floating text, and character inking.
Nothing like me.
Enemy is dominating. You have slain an enemy. Unstoppable. Bottom under attack. Enemy slain. Shut down.
After 2 games ng Wild Rift, yung CPU temperature 45.2 and yung battery 35.6. Okay, yung next game natin, paborito rin to ng mga MOBA fanatics. Let's play Mobile Legends sa Realme B15. Before we start the game, yung CPU temperature ni Realme B15 is 35.9 and yung battery 34 degrees. For our settings, eto naman yung mga gagamitin natin. Nakaset sa high yung graphics natin kasi for now, hindi pa available sa Ultra. Naka-on din yung other options natin like outline, camera height, HD mode, HFR mode, and shadows. After playing 2 games, check natin yung temperature. Yung CPU temperature 47.8 and yung battery 39 degrees. Okay, tingnan natin kung mas makakarami tayo ng kills pag si Redmi Note 19 yung ginamit natin sa Mobile Legends. So before our first game, yung CPU temperature ni Redmi Note 90 is at 40 degrees and yung battery 32.1. Ito naman yung mga settings na gagamitin natin for this game. For the graphics, nakaset tayo sa high since hindi pa available yung Ultra. For the other options, naka-on yung outline, HD mode, and shadows. And it's also worth noting na wala pang HFR mode na available for this phone. After playing 2 games sa Mobile Legends, let us check yung temperature. Yung CPU temperature 64.2 degrees and yung battery 35.6. Our last game is very high demanding in terms of graphics. Kaya check mapapalaban si Realme B15 kay Genshin Impact. Before we play our last game, yung CPU temperature ni Realme B15 is 32.9 degrees and yung battery 30 degrees. Ito naman yung mga settings na gagamitin natin for this game. For the graphics quality, nakaset tayo sa lowest. Sinet din natin sa lowest yung lahat ng custom options para smooth yung gameplay natin. After playing 30 minutes sa Genshin Impact, yung CPU temperature is 56 degrees and yung battery 41 degrees. Okay, check natin kung smooth din yung gameplay natin sa Genshin Impact with a Redmi Note 90. Before yung start ng game, yung CPU temperature ng Redmi Note 90 natin is 41.7 degrees and yung battery 29.3. For the graphics, ito yung settings na gagamitin natin. Yung graphics quality is set at lowest to maintain yung smooth na gameplay. Kasama na rin dyan yung custom options like render resolution, shadow quality, and SFX quality. After playing for an hour, yung CPU temperature is 62 degrees and yung battery 37.6. So in conclusion, both phones have handled all 6 games smoothly. Wala naman ako napansin na lags, stutters, or frame drops. With high demanding games, kailangan mo lang i-adjust konti yung settings para mag-run siya smoothly. Pero in terms of overall gaming experience, eto yung mga pinagkaiba nila. If you want an AMOLED screen, 50-watt fast charging, and something na magaan sa kamay for extended hours of gaming, go with Realme V15. Pero kung gusto mo ng larger screen, a 5,000 mAh battery, and an expandable memory, go with Redmi Note 90. If you have questions and suggestions for our next video, hit me up in the comments down below and I'll make sure to reply. So that's the end of our video and I hope nagustuhan nyo. Thumbs is a plus, subs is a must. I'm the Unboxing Tito and I will see you next time.